Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Panasonic GH5, and now I'm going to show you how to enable anamorphic mode and how to use this mode on Panasonic device. So firstly, to open the menu, so click on the menu button, then scroll up to video manual, and here we have anamorphic 423. So anamorphic mode allows you to capture footage using an anamorphic lens, which creates a wider field of view onto the camera sensor. Camera sensor, right? So when this mode is enabled, the camera will record the squeezed image, which you can later de-squeeze during post-processing in Premiere Pro or I don't know, other programs. To have a widescreen aspect ratio. And here we can choose the quality of video and bitrate. So as you can see, for example, 4K and 100 M and A25p. This setting, for example, refers to recording in 4K resolution with a bitrate of 100 megabits per second and a frame rate of 25 frames per second. And the same you can the same situation with other objects. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.